Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are driving on Grandspen Road. To the right of us is the Grandspen police station. And look at the flooding that is going on here. The tropical storm is moving over Jamaica now. I guess this is the heaviest part. Hopefully this is the heaviest part. And it won't get any worse than this, but the roads are flooded. You can't even see the road here. Look at that. The sidewalk is completely covered. And it had, oh my gosh, we are not going through this. Hold on. The car's behind us. No, sir. We're going to turn around. Let's see how this white car goes through it. He has stopped. Whoa. Look at how high that water is. Alright, go right around, man. Go on. Let's go right ahead. We're going to do what they're doing and go on that side, because clearly we cannot go on this straight. We have to follow these cars. They made it. So let's go on this side. Oh my gosh, I feel so sorry for this lady. What does she, why? Where, oh my gosh. I really feel sorry for her. Alright, you know why we're on your side of the road, people. Come on. We are in a SUV. It's high, so it's not that bad for us, but look at some of these cars. And you wouldn't believe that there's a gully right here for this water to run off in, the drains are probably just either too small or blocked. See the drain right there to the right? Look, well, the drain, the water is going into the drain. I guess it's just too much water at one time. I don't know. Yeah, the water is going. Look, see the drains there? I guess it's just too much water coming down at one time. Actually, this part of the road where the drains are working, the water isn't backing up. You can see the sidewalk, you can see the drains. And that's the gully there on the right where you see the... Wow. I want to show you guys what here. Yeah, whatever. You know all you want. Okay. That just gives you an idea of just how flooded these gullies are. I mean, there was a reason why the Met Office talk about flooding. Okay, we're now on Barbican Road, and I'm surprised that Barbican Road has this kind of water on it because it was recently renovated. Oh, this side of the road, wow. This part of the road wasn't renovated. It's the part after the stoplight. Okay, so we're now on Barbican Road. Now, they have put that there just to ensure nobody wets up their gate, or I guess right there, which somebody's going to drive into that very soon, because look at the conditions here. But it's getting dark, so we'll keep making the videos until, okay, this car has broken down, until if we could come out tonight and make the videos. We'll see what the weather is like. But Jamaica is getting a beating from this rain. Without a doubt, there is flooding. But we'll be out tomorrow morning to show you what's going on. Oh, look over here, look at that road. It's totally flooded.